So yeah, in question 2, they say given the expression 5x cubed, no? 8 minus 7 all over 2x squared plus 7x minus x to the power of 4. And then they say, how many terms are here? They didn't ask that question, but let's talk about it. How many terms do you see there? Yes, how many number of terms here? How many terms do you see there?
5.
If we check, we have 5x cubed. No? It's 1. We have 8, which is another term. We have this one, minus 7 all over 2, which is also another term. We have plus 7, which is a term. So we have, all in all, we can safely say to them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are the number of terms that we have. Are there any like terms there? Because we can't speak about terms if we have like terms. Do we have any like terms? Are there anything that are like terms? It seems as if we don't have any like terms. Yes. So we are going to safely say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of terms. And they say write down the exponent of the fourth term. So we need to count now. This is term number 1. And this is term number 2. This is term number 3. This one is term number 4. So what is the exponent of the fourth term? Exponent of the variable. What is the exponent of the variable? It's what? It's 1. So we come and tell them, here we have 1, and then we're going to get a mark for that. That's still fine. Now, they speak about number 2. What is the coefficient? Hannah, what is the coefficient? It's the number just before the variable. Yes. So let's go and check what is our number before the variable. I've seen in your test, most of you said, I saw you said minus 7. Let's go and check. We want the number before x. The number before x is this one here. But remember, this thing here, basically, this is how it's supposed to be written. If we're writing it properly, this is how it's supposed to be written. It's supposed to be written as minus 7 all over 2x squared. This thing and this one here, they're exactly what identical. So most of us with the test, what did we do? We said it's just minus 7. Why did we say minus 7? It's because we only consider the numerator. But this x squared affects the numerator, it also affects the one there. So what is going to be the proper one here? What is going to be the coefficient of x squared? It's not minus 7, it's minus 7 all over 1 all over 2. You see? So we're going to write here which we have minus 7 all over 2. Everyone is happy with that one? Yes. Guys, remember when you're dealing with fractions, you are going to write the coefficient of the fraction. Okay. Next, they say, write down the constant in this expression. What is going to be? Remember, we need to talk about what is a constant first. It's a number that doesn't have. It doesn't have a variable. Any number which doesn't have a variable is the one as a constant. Let's go and check number 1. If you look at the first one, if you look at this one, it has x, so it can't be a constant. This one, we can't say it. 8 doesn't have a letter? No. Doesn't have a letter. So we can say 8 with its sign. We take it and then we write it here. So this can be constant number 1. This one, it has a letter. This one, it has a letter. And then this one also has what? A letter. So we are going to tell them it's positive 8. That's our constant. If it was negative, we're going to take it with the one there, with the negative. Next, what is the degree of the expression? So you're going to approach this question in what way? If they say, what is the degree? What is it that we're going to look for? What is the degree of this expression? What do we say? What should they look for? What should they look for?
The number with the highest power of x.
The number with the highest power of x. So let's go and check. Which one seems to have the highest power of x here in all of them? Is this one here? And then we check the exponent of x. What is the exponent of x then? 4. So what is going to be the highest degree here?
4.
The highest degree is going to be what? To be 4. That's the highest degree. So you check the exponent of the variable, and then you check the biggest exponent. The biggest exponent is going to be the highest degree. If it was 3, we're going to say it's 3. If it's 5, we're going to say it's 5. Yes. Yes, yes. And then remember the exponent, not the number itself, the exponent of the variable. We're checking the exponent. Because if you check here, you have exponent number 1. What is exponent number 1? It's 3. Yes. This one doesn't have a variable, it's a constant. This one has 2. This one has 1. So the biggest degree is going to be 4. That is our highest degree. Rewrite the expression in a descending order. Descending powers of x. So we should write it descending. Current descending is which one? We are going from the biggest to the one to the smallest. So we start with the highest degree then. With its sign, we are going to take the highest degree with its sign. Current the highest degree is what? It's negative x to the power of 4. What is the second one? It's plus 5x to the power of 3. What's next? Last one. Last one. Plus 8. And then they will give us a mark for being able to write it from the smallest to the what to the biggest. Any questions?
No.
We're fine with this one.